Welcome everyone, Cliff from Advanced Diagnostics. Today we have the Chrysler Pacifica USA 2019 to 2023 push button ignition as our example vehicle, because there is very specific vehicle behavior that we need you to be aware of, and we don't want you to go in the wrong direction. So I'm going to talk about what happens when you have an improperly unlocked key, an aftermarket key that will not program, but it's mainly usually the ones that are not unlocked due to the technology not being 100%. Now, there are a lot of these keys floating around due to supply disruption ever since the flu virus. And there are other reasons as well. So let's get right down to the heart of it. The first thing you want to check is keys program, because if your key is failing to program, we want to make sure it is not maxed out, and these will hold 8 keys. Here's the behavior if you have an improperly unlocked key. The remote functions will program, but the procs will not function. You'll have to put it up against the push to start button in many instances to get it to start. That's the behavior on the Pacifica. Now, there is other Chrysler behavior that you need to be aware of, specifically the Renegade and the Compass. On those, the key count will go up, but nothing happens. In other words, your procs functions will not work, it will not start, but the key count went up. And those are keys that you need to send back to your supplier, get others from another source or that same source. In many instances, you should have an OEM key, and you may have to use an OEM key in order to get that key to properly store. So now you're aware of the vehicle behavior. We are going to have this included in tips and hints in the near future, but in the interim, you know what to do. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.